more than 60,000 people were shifted to rehabilitation centers from the flood-affected villages in 6 districts in the state. Godavari floods, which were the highest in the last 3 decades, have impacted more than 600 habitations in 44 mandals. In all, 220 relief camps were set up. Endowments Minister Kotu Satyanarayana and Chief Whip Mudunuri Prasad Rayo, along with Collector Prasanthi, visited the flood-hit habitation at Kodero and Ponapali in Achanta and Narsarpuram mandals in West Godavari district on Saturday. Eluru District Collector Prasanna Venkatesh reviewed the arrangements in the relief camps set up at Sivakasipuram and Budavipeta villages in the agency area. He directed the special officers to ensure the supply of quality food in the relief camps and the distribution of essential commodities to the tribals taking refuges on the hills. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Можно